I believe I have now what the most ultimate tech stack is for my marketing funnels, and that's what I'm going to share with you. So a question that we had come in from Lonja and from Denise was basically, what is my marketing funnel tech stack? Summed up really, really quickly. I have got a post about this coming out, and I'll link it below whenever it's published. So my marketing funnel tech stack, first of all, we have to split the two types of marketing funnels that I have and the processes of those marketing funnels. Number one is I have my main marketing website, which is sellyourservice.co.uk. So that's the main site where we do the sales pages, landing pages, where my blog is hosted. That's where we direct the majority of our traffic. And then we have our members site, which is gameplan.sellyourservice.co.uk. And that's where the payments are processed. That's where the course and the products are stored. That's where the majority of our payments are collected as well. Starting with the members site, the actual framework, it's still a WordPress site, is based on Access Ally. Access Ally handles our memberships, it handles course delivery, it handles our learning management system, or LMS. It does our rewards, it does our purchasing, it does our one-click upsells, it does our subscriptions, it does our payment plans, it does our crediting system. Access Ally pretty much is at the forefront of everything that we build within the members site. So any sales content or marketing content that we have on one side of the business will pump traffic and redirect people over to a checkout powered by Access Ally on the members site. So they'll visit a sales page on sellyourservice.co.uk, and then they'll get redirected over to gameplan.sellyourservice.co.uk for purchasing, for one-click upsells, for the actual checkout, and then for the consumption of that product. So that's the kind of how the split works with that. In terms of page builders, I use Beaver Builder, and I use Beaver Themer for our theme development and for the actual layout of the content. A lot of people use Elementor, absolutely fine. I've been using Beaver Builder for a long time, so I'm not going to move just for the sake of it. And Beaver Builder powers our sales pages, the design, the layouts, does our blog as well. We do use the Gutenberg blocks for a lot of the blog posts, but all of our landing pages, squeeze pages, sales pages are powered by Beaver Builder, as well as stuff like Ultimate Add-ons for Beaver Builder, Power Pack Live Mesh for Beaver Builder is a really useful, interesting pack. We've got loads of other tools that we use, but that's predominantly the tech stack that I use on the site. And then I use ActiveCampaign as the bridge between my email list, which is on ActiveCampaign CRM, and that also connects with Access Ally to sort of automate delivery on stuff. I've actually got a video here which talks about the kind of the split that I use of where I put on my marketing site, where I put our funnel, where I put membership sites and stuff like this. So that's what I use with customers. That's on the video that you can go ahead and watch here, where I essentially split out the three types of funnels or processes that I use and give a high level overview of the tools that I go through as well. So you can go ahead and find out more there. So yeah, thanks for the question, and if you've got any more, by all means go ahead and send them in.